Today's class is on potential energy of a charge capacitor or energy stored in a capacitor. At first we have to know what is potential energy of a capacitor. It is defined as the work done to charge the capacitor. First we write down the definition of the potential energy. Potential energy of a capacitor, potential energy of a capacitor is defined as the amount of work done to charge the capacitor, let Q and V be the instantaneous charge and potential of the capacitor during the process of charging. dq charge is taken from infinity and given to the capacitor. For charge dq, the work done is dw. Hence dw equal to v into dq. We know that is C equal to Q by V. So V equal to, that is Q by C. Putting the value of this equation, that is dq equal to 1 by C Q into dq. That is total work done. If total work done W and charge changes 0 to Q, hence we getting the integration, that is 0 when charge 0, work done 0. When charge Q, that is work done W. তাহলে W equal to 1 by C Q square by 2. তাহলে Q square by 2C. So W equal to half CV square half QV. This is nothing but the equation of potential energy. So U it is denoted by U, U equal to half CV square, half QV, half Q square by C. So these are the potential energy of the capacitor. So there are different format of work done, that is W equal to half CV square, W equal to QV, W equal to Q square by 2C. This is nothing but the amount of potential energy. So U equal to half CV square, half QV and half Q square by C. These all format are the equation of energies of the capacitor. Now we derive another equation, that is energy density of capacitor. That is energy density of capacitor. So energy density of a capacitor. Energy density of a capacitor. For parallel plate capacitor, we know that is C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. For parallel plate capacitor, that is the capacitance. So the capacitance, so this is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. We know that is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. That is sigma equal to epsilon 0 into E. Again, we know sigma equal to Q by A. So Q equal to sigma A. From this equation, we can derive, that is the U. We know U equal to half. U equal to half CV square. We know U equal to half CV square. So U equal to half C, that is epsilon 0 A by D. Epsilon 0 A by D. V we know that is V equal to that is E equal to, we know that is V by D. So V equal to E into D, that is E into D tar square. So U equal to half epsilon 0 E square A D square by D. So U equal to half epsilon 0 E square A into D, that is U equal to half epsilon 0 E square, that is, this is nothing but the volume ভলিউম, তাহলে ইউ বাই ভলিউম আমরা কি পাব, হাফ এপসাইলন জিরো ইউ স্কোয়ার। সো এনার্জি ডেন্সিটি, এনার্জি ডেন্সিটি হাফ এপসাইলন জিরো স্কোয়ার। So energy density of the capacitor, hence energy density of the capacitor, that is half epsilon zero square. This is the equation of energy density. So there are mainly, actually there are different formats of U. We have to know first, I have calculated U equal to half CV square. We know that is E equal to V by D. So V equal to D, putting the value of V and C, we can easily calculate the energy with respect to volume. Divided by volume, we get that is the energy density. Energy density means amount of energy per unit volume. This is known as the energy density. So today's class has finished. I think each and every student will be benefited by my class. Please watch all the videos and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all my students.